Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save a bunch of money on cleaning supplies deals for your household. These are 10 more cleaning supply deals you can do this Saturday, April 15th at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, please do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up like button, subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deal videos, and let's get started. If you're interested in having access to all of my couponing deals every week in a super easy to download PDF file format, check out the video description down below. That's where I put all the important information for you relating to all of my couponing deals from week to week. It will take you over my Patreon page where you'll find all the information you need to get started. So let's get started with the reason you're here, the couponing deals. For our first deal, grab 2 boxes of the 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, 2 bottles of the small size Gain Fireworks, a bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, and one of the Eric plugins. After all coupons, of course that includes the 5 off of 25 Saturday coupon, our total out of pocket comes down to just $8.75 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 67% off for this deal. Our second cleaning supplies deal is a really good example that just because you don't have a coupon for something does not mean you can't still work it into an amazing deal. So grab 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 2 of the 12-count size bags of Finish Quantum Dishwasher tablets, 2 Scrub Mommy sponges. These are my favorite ones. You can get the Scrub Daddy, but I really love the Scrub Mommy sponges. A 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, and then 1 box of Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.05 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 54% off for this deal. Now, I wanted to make sure I let you know, in case you didn't know, if you are a fan of Scrub Mommy and Scrub Daddy sponges like I am, did you know that you can recycle all your worn down sponges? If you check out the Scrub Daddy website, there's a form that you can fill out where you mail it back to them and they give you a future discount off one of your next orders. What an amazing program to recycle your sponges. For our third cleaning supplies deal, we're going to stock up on something that is one of my top focuses for my stockpile going into the summer season, and that is the stock up on white vinegar because I am always out of it. So for this deal, grab 1 bottle of Gain detergent, 2 gallon-sized bottles of the Clover Valley white vinegar, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and then 1 Eric plugin. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $12.75 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 52% off, which is amazing when you consider that the $7 that we spent for the white vinegar, we didn't even have a coupon for them. I'm telling you, you can score some great deals even if you don't have coupons for something. Next up, cleaning supplies deal number 4. Grab 1 of the 240 count boxes of Bounce dryer sheets, 1 bottle of Gain Fabric Softener, 1 of these Swiffer Duster starter kits, a Febreze small spaces, and then 1 bag of the Tide Simply Pods. By the way, I'm so excited that we are getting coupons for those Tide Simply Pods again. I really miss those coupons. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.40 plus tax. It makes for a total savings of 54% off for this deal. For our fifth cleaning supplies deal, grab 2 of the Eric Essential Mist refills, a bag of Tide Pods, which I believe is the larger size bag, a Schick Intuition razor, and a Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to $14.65 plus tax. Makes for a total savings of 57% off. What an amazing deal to stock up on. For our 6th cleaning supplies deal, grab 4 boxes of those 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers and a 2-count pack of Sparkle paper towels. Now, I know we don't have a coupon for these, but that's totally okay. We're still going to get a great deal on them. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 plus tax, which makes for a total savings of 53% off. Now, I would love to put out into the couponing universe that I would really appreciate some coupons for paper towels in the coming weeks. I don't care if it's for Sparkle or Bounty. I don't care. I am really wanting to build on my paper towel stockpile, and the coupons for them have been almost non-existent. So we're going to speak these coupons into existence. Our 7th cleaning supplies deal is another really great one to stock up on white vinegar, which, by the way, in case you didn't know, is a really great substitute for fabric softener. I use it for literally everything in my house. I use it for cleaning my microwave, literally everything. So I really want to stock up. So for this deal, grab 1 small bottle of Gain detergent, 2 gallon-sized bottles of the Clover Valley white vinegar, a bottle of Gain fabric softener, 2 of the smaller size bottles of Gain Fireworks, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.95 plus tax. That makes for a total savings of 49% off of this deal. You know, one of these days, I am going to find a way of recording the video of me doing these voiceovers, because I promise you, I look super silly. I don't know what it is. I'm talking to my computer, but I am doing all the hand gestures. I don't know who I'm gesturing to, but I've done this since the beginning of Level of Save. I've done it in every single video. I do not know why. One of these days, I'm going to figure out how to do it, and you guys are going to find it hilarious. So for our 8th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, 1 box of the hefty trash bags, 2 Mr. Clean Freak sprays, a 2-count pack of Oral-B toothbrushes, and then 1 Crest toothpaste. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes to $12.15 plus tax, which makes for a total savings of 57% off. Moving on to cleaning supplies deal number 9. Grab 2 packs of the 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, a 2-count pack of Febreze Small Spaces, a Swiffer Duster Starter Kit, and then 1 of the 12-count size bags of Finish Quantum Dishwasher Tablets. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $9.65 plus tax. That's a total savings of 64% off. This is hands down probably one of the couponing deals that I'm going to focus on doing this week, other than the white vinegar deals, because I'm serious about stocking up on that white vinegar. But this deal has all of my major needs for cleaning supplies this week. For cleaning supplies deal number 10, grab 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods, 1 Swiffer Wet Jet refill, 1 of the Dawn Easy Squeezes, a Dawn dish soap refill, the ones that's $8.50, and then 1 of the 12-count Finish Quantum Dishwasher tablets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes to $12.56 plus tax, and that makes for a total savings of 52% off of this deal. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you're still around, I just want to say thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. That is one of the easiest ways to support my content. That and hitting the thumbs up like button, and of course being subscribed here to my channel. But I really, really, truly appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. I can't tell you how much of a difference that makes for my channel. Also, like I said, if you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well. That way, when I post any of my future couponing videos this week, I got a bunch of them. You're not going to want to miss out. You'll receive a notification. You won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.